Hi guys, my name is Warren and today we are going to talk about SharePoint Web Application. What is SharePoint Web Application? A SharePoint Web Application is composed of an Internet Information Service that we all know as IaaS. So whichever entry we create in host header in web application level, it used to get mapped with IaaS. We cannot have multiple web applications for one IaaS site, but we can create up to 5 IaaS sites for one web application using extended web application feature. That means with the help of zones, we can extend our web application 5 times. Microsoft support up to 20 web application in SharePoint 5. That's a Microsoft recommendation, but if you want to increase the size of the web application, you can do that. There is no limit. So earlier we discussed about zones. So there are 5 zones, that is default, intranet, internet, custom and extranet. With the help of these zones, you can extend your web application 5 different times, but only once you can do that. And you can create your extend your web application with the help of central administration or with the script line, that is Windows PowerShell. Now let's see how to create web application with the help of central administration. So for a web application, we need an account in our Active Directory. So we have created one account over here. I will show you that right now. That is Teams Web App Service Application, and the login name is SP Teams Web App. Okay, and we have mapped that account in the central admin. This is the place where we can map our accounts. Now, after mapping the accounts, I need to create a new web application. This is the first step. You need to click on Manage Web Application. If you click on it, the console will open up like this. Over here, I already clicked on New, so the background is grayed out. But over here, there are certain information which you need to fill out, like name. I have given the name for my web application as SharePoint Teams 18. Port number is 18 and host reader is teams.contoso.com. If you want to change the path, you can do that also. And I have just configured the application pool name as SharePoint Teams 80, and I have mapped the account which I created in Active Directory, that is SP Teams Web Apps. And if I click on OK, the web application will be created. It will take 5 minutes. Don't be in rush. So you need to wait, and this web application will come in picture. Now, if you want to extend the zone, you need to click over here, extend button on the ribbon, and you're going to see a small description, small area where all you can change is what all you can change is. So you can change the name if you want to, and these are the zones which are there. So I can now change it to 4 different levels, that is intranet, internet, custom or extranet. So these 4 levels I can change. So that was about web application. Thank you.